Okay, guys, so we come to chapter 2, skill check quiz integrated review. This is a collect algebra material that help you to handle the main section format 13 statistics class. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this one. First, we are learning about the number line. Okay, this is number line. And I want to grab all the given numbers on number line. So basically, we want to put these all number in order. So let's start to put it in order from the lowest to the highest, right? Put in order. So what are you gonna have? You start with -1 first because -1 is lowest, right? And then it's 0.6, and then what else? 0.3, and what else? 1.5. No, 1 actually. Sorry. And then 1.5, and then 2.6. Right. Okay, so after you put everything in order, now you're gonna draw the line, right? And put everything in it. So you will see D here that have exactly what I'm having. Right. Start from -1 to -0.6, and then 0.3 and 1.5 and 2.6. Right. All the other, such as like for answer A, you start with 2.6 with well, it's in the negative, so it's wrong right away. B, 2.6 here, wrong right away. C, they have 1.5 in the negative, wrong right away, right? So D must be the answer, correct? And also you can see check, and it's be it. Okay, so now let's move to the next column. Okay, so for this one, I need to put this in order. Use point number 9 to okay. So this I gotta put this in orders, right? So gonna be what? 5% first, and then 11%, and then 13%, and then 15%, and then 18%. And keep my that. Right now, my number line did have the title say percent of annual income spent on food. So you don't have to, they don't want to put down the percent into the number line, yeah, right? So that's the reason why you don't see like 2%, 4%, that's right. Okay, so I did organize S, and I know that C must be the one that I'm looking for because I'm starting from 5 here, right? 5, and then 11 here, and then 13 here, 15 here, and then 18 there, right? So that is exactly what I'm looking for. You can check with like another part such as A. You have 5 here, right? That's okay. You have 11 here. That I also have. I have 13 here, that's I also have. I have 15 here, that's also I have. But this is what? 19. No, this is incorrect, right? Okay. This one have 3%. I don't have it, so no. This one have 4%. No, right? So C must be the answer. Next. Okay, number 9 again. Yeah, put in orders for okay, so are we gonna do the GS, or are we gonna do the data, the number of complaints, right, in thousand? So you have to watch out. Sometimes they just give you some number and try to trick you, give you a trap, right? So we actually gonna focus on on the data and put it in order 1, 4, 6. Oh, it's actually did in order already, so I don't have to put it in order again. So I'm gonna just make sure my number is good, right? So 146, this one could be okay. 196, this one could be okay. 206, this one okay. 236. Okay, so I have to watch out in here. I see that H of this small part here, small thing here, is gonna be 10, right? 10, 20, something like that. 30, 40, and 50, right? So I have 200 here, have 210, I have 220 here, right? So this is 236. I don't have it. I don't have 236 at all. So this is wrong, right? Check on that, right? I don't have the 230 is supposed to be here. So 236 supposed to be up. No, 236. 236 supposed to be here. Okay. So I look for my correct one. You see here, I saw 150 good, 200, 196 and 206, and the last one is 236. So this is perfect one. The only one that's almost perfect was A, but the last one, the last data was incorrect. So so that's the reason why I don't want to choose A. All right, so next, number 5. Number 5 say I have 30 different beers. Okay. The data is about the percent of alcohol, right? How many beers fit in the categories of beer that between 4.0 to 4.95? So for this one, I would suggest using the StatCrunch. So or Excel, that's fine. I'm gonna using Excel. Let's show you. Right. Okay. Let me see. Take time. Okay, so as you see right now, I'm having all the number here. All right. I even want to sort it from lowest to the highest, right? From lowest to the highest. Oh. Data. So you're gonna click on A to Z here. See that? You will have. Okay, so what's the question? Question say, how many beer fit in the category between 4 to 4.95, right? 4 is between 4 to 4.95. You actually will use up to 4.9. To 4.95, right? Okay. So how many do I have? You're gonna just count those. 16, right? 16 left. All right. Another way you can do is you can also copy this and put it into the StatCrunch. Let's see, how can I go to StatCrunch? Let's see. I'm gonna go back to here. We go to StatCrunch. Go to StatCrunch in. Open StatCrunch. And then just copy it out, right? Paste it down. So you need to, reorder it. So it's a sort it setting, right? And then you just, count it from 4 by 2 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So total is 16 number that you will have into your columns. So I have to go back to my work where it is. Oh wow. Check where it is. I think it may not allow you to get out when you do the quiz to use TechCrunch or something. Or maybe I don't know where did I put my stuff? Interesting. Okay, so I think it's do not allow you to do not allow you to use StatCrunch. Let me check again to make sure. So interesting. Interesting. So we finish this. Where were we? Right here. So I think, oh, now I can open InstaCrunch. Okay. So I think there's some reason that I would suggest that open the StatCrunch in the other tab first, and then you will do the skill review. Oh, this is the skill review homework. Sorry. Let me go this in skill checklist. Let's see if it's allowing me to do that. So I was uh-oh. Interesting. Okay, so -1. I think I have to answer one to go and make a new route. This one could be the one that I'm looking for. All right, that's all the other incorrect. So okay, now I can move down. Oh, come on. Let me try it here. So this should be it. Check answer. Move to next. Then I get show complete. Can move around. Oh yes, now I can move around. Okay, cool. Cool. Okay, so let's move to the problem that number 4 here, right? So I have to copy this. It's not allowing me to go to the stack range if I don't open this. Okay, so let me see. Use stack range. We're gonna use stack range over here. Here. And then ascending it. You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Still 16. Oh, clearly it's not allowing me to go back to that. Oh, wow. Interesting. So StackCrunch is not allowed for the quiz. Okay. All right. So I need to fix something. And hopefully, I mean, please, I like you to use StackCrunch, but yeah. So okay, so now we have to okay, so I mean, I don't think that we can be allowed to use StackCrunch when you do quiz. So yeah, you can use Excel, that's fine. Or another way you can do it, just check for each row in here, like 4.0 to 4.95. So look for the one that's certified in between these two, right? So 4.2 good, 4.4 good, 4.7 good, 4.5, 4.4 good, 4.7, 4.3, 4.6, 4.7, 4.1, 4.4, 4.7, 4.1, 4.8. Okay, so totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 total. So that's why you have 14 here. So that's the way. Okay, so last we move to the next problem. Number 5. Same things. They say above, but okay. This one, you're looking for the above. Actually, this one I'm gonna show you how to use CrowdTI, right? What you do is you click start, put edit here, put down all the number in here. You have 4.5, 5.2, 4.4, 5.5, 4.1, 5.3, 0, 5.6, 5. No, 4.6, 4.5, 3.6, 5.2, 4.9, 6.4, 4.6, 4.5, 4.6, 5.3, 6, 4.7, 4.1, 4.2, 4.2, 4.7, 5.3, 5.7, 6.2, 4.3, 5.3, 4.9. Right. So a little bit work. I mean, you can just go. I teach you 3 methods. You can go either by Excel, calculators, or just check for it row, because I think that's work too. And I mean, another way is you have like StatCrunch in another laptop. Open it first, right, and then put down all these. But either way. So now you want to click on Stat. You're gonna go to number 2 here. Sorted, right? Sorted. Let's enter. Oh, wow. I think. Oh, let's see. So I have to click Stat here. I'm not sure if they can. It looks like they don't have the let me see. Go to number 2 here. We calculate. No, it didn't. Clear this. Clear all this. Start. Go to number 2. After you put down input, I think that you need to put the L1 in here because you are using just column. Okay, so now we go back to the column. Okay, they sorted from us. Okay, so we're looking for the one above 5.5. We mean greater than, right? Above means greater than 5.5. So look at the one greater than 5.5. Don't count 5.5. Greater than that. 5.6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, actually 5. So 5 totally, right? Okay. So that's the reason you have 5 here, or you can do like just check for each row, right? For 5.6, good. 6.4, 6.6, 6.0, I mean. 5.7, 6.2, and that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? That's good. So we're gonna go to the next one. Okay, keep sorting things. Less than 100 calories. Okay, so less than, right? You keep in mind the word less than, right? So you look for the one less than. I'm gonna use listing things here. So 87 good, 99 good. Right. So 95, 97, 67, 96. So they are all I have, right? So we have six totally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, yeah, 6. Right. Next. Okay, so student answers 86 out of 100. What proportion? Okay, so now now we learn about the word proportion. Proportions is similar like percentage, but you don't need to multiply hundreds. All right. So what you do is just have fraction form like 86 divided by hundreds, and then you use the calculators. You calculate that you get on you're gonna get 0.86. So you don't want to multiply hundreds, okay? So you don't have 100% like that. Right? All right, so we're gonna move to the next one. Okay, so here keep working on the 100 key before, but now we're looking for the portion that for the one who likes football or soccer. Football or soccer. Okay, so include to this event. So where the football, soccer here, football is here. So you include those two. How many children you have? So 15 plus 35, right? So these are on the top and divide by totals with hundreds. So 15 plus 35 gonna be 50 and divide by hundreds, which is 0.5. You don't want to have 50%. You don't want to multiply. You don't want to multiply 100. So that's gonna be the answer. So let's move to the next one. All right. So what is this in here? So we have 3 level for the question: easy, intermediate, and difficult. If 40 of the 150 practice question are rate as intermediate, so we want to find the portion of intermediate, right, of the question that are intermediate level, right? So the number of intermediates, right, divided by totals. So what is that? We have how many intermediate do I have? 40 divided by how many questions do I have? 135, right? And use the calculators. So let's see. Second quiz. Here, 40 divided by 135. You got like 0.29 something, right? They say round to the nearest 100 as needed. So hundreds, you stop it here, right? So 6 affect the 9, you get 0.3. Yep. So that is the answer. We move to the, I think that's the last one. Okay, yes. Okay, so I have finished chapter 2 review quiz, skill check quiz. Yeah, you can go ahead and use this idea to handle your own. All right. Have a good day.